Are Indian home-cooked meals really healthy? Rethinking traditional cooking practices. Indian home-cooked meals have long been celebrated not just for their flavors, but also for the love and care that goes into preparing them. They evoke memories of family gatherings and cultural heritage, often associated with health and well-being. However, the assumption that home-cooked meals are inherently healthy can be misleading. While home cooking certainly provides control over ingredients, traditional cooking practices can sometimes lead to unhealthy choices. Here, we explore 5 reasons why Indian home-cooked meals might not be as healthy as they seem. 1. Overuse of oil, butter, and ghee. A hallmark of Indian cuisine is the generous use of fats, including oil, butter, and ghee. While these fats enhance the flavor of dishes and are an integral part of many recipes, they can contribute to excessive calorie intake and unhealthy fat consumption. For example, that extra spoonful of ghee on your roti, or the deep-fried pakoras that are so beloved can lead to high cholesterol levels and weight gain over time. Moderation is key, and using healthier cooking oils or reducing the quantity of fats in dishes can help strike a balance between taste and health. 2. Excessive sugar in beverages and desserts. The Indian tea and coffee culture is deeply embedded in daily life, but it often comes with a heavy dose of sugar. Many people consume sweetened beverages multiple times a day, and traditional sweets like gulab jamun and halwa are staples during festivities and celebrations. Even everyday foods like chutneys can be laden with sugar. These habits can lead to a host of health issues over time, including obesity, diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. Replacing refined sugar with natural sweeteners such as jaggery, or reducing overall sugar intake, can be a healthier choice that aligns with traditional flavors. 3. High levels of salt and sodium. Salt is an indispensable component of Indian cuisine, but excessive consumption poses significant health risks. Items like pickles, papads, chutneys, and even everyday curries can contain alarmingly high sodium levels. Regularly consuming salty foods can elevate blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's essential to be mindful of salt intake, opting for fresh ingredients and herbs to enhance flavor without relying heavily on salt. 4. Over-reliance on refined and processed ingredients. In many Indian kitchens, refined ingredients like maida, refined wheat flour, processed sugar, and store-bought sauces are common. While these ingredients may enhance taste and convenience, they strip meals of their nutritional value. For instance, a homemade cake made with maida and sugar is not necessarily healthier than a store-bought whole wheat muffin sweetened with honey. Choosing unprocessed alternatives, such as whole grains, fresh vegetables, and natural condiments, can significantly improve the health quotient of meals. 5. Cooking practices that destroy nutrients. Traditional cooking methods can sometimes compromise the nutritional integrity of meals. Long cooking times, deep frying, and excessive use of spices can lead to the loss of essential nutrients in vegetables and other ingredients. For example, overcooked leafy greens may lose their vitamins, while fried vegetables absorb unhealthy fats. Additionally, heavy spice usage, while flavorful, can contribute to acidity and digestive issues. Embracing healthier cooking techniques such as steaming, grilling, or sautéing can help retain nutrients and enhance the overall health benefits of meals. Rethinking what healthy means. While home-cooked meals undeniably offer advantages, especially in terms of freshness and ingredient control, the way they are prepared can sometimes detract from their health benefits. It is essential to rethink our definitions of healthy cooking. Instead of abandoning traditional recipes, small and conscious changes can make a significant difference. This includes reducing the amount of oil used, opting for whole food ingredients, and avoiding processed elements in cooking. Indian home-cooked meals carry a rich cultural heritage and the warmth of family traditions, but it is crucial to approach their preparation with a mindful perspective. By recognizing the potential pitfalls in cooking practices and making informed choices, individuals can enjoy the flavors of Indian cuisine while improving its nutritional profile. Embracing a balanced approach to cooking not only preserves the essence of traditional meals, but also promotes health and well-being for generations to come.